Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to review filtered comments on TikTok. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your TikTok applications, and then you need to tap this up, and then once you open up, at the bottom of your mobile screen, then you need to tap profile. And then here now at our TikTok profile, and then on top right corner, and then you need to tap these three horizontal lines and then tap, and then again pop up at the bottom of your screen. Then you need to select this settings and privacy and then tap again. So here in settings and privacy, and under at account, and then you need to select this privacy and then click, and then here at privacy, and then under at interactions, and then you need to select now this comments and then click again. So here now in comments, and then at the bottom, then you can see this review filtered comments. So only approved comments will be displayed. Alright, so all you have to do is to click this review filtered comments. And then you can view now those filtered comments if you want to approve or disapprove, or if you want to delete. So this features allows TikTok to automatically filter comments that may be spammy or offensive based on its algorithms. These comments will be hidden from view unless you approve them and protect creators and contents. So that's why we need to turn on filter comments. Alright, so you can view now this filtered comments. So click this arrow, so tap. And then it's up to you if you want to approve or delete this filtered comments here. And then if you want to delete, then delete. If you want to approve, and then approve. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on TikTok settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.